Hello there, this is Matt from Amber Technology. Today I'm going to be demonstrating signosign 2 and Amber signature pads along with QuickBooks. So to start out, we're going to create an invoice. So I'm just going to select a random customer here and just put a random item on the invoice. And now we've got pretty much a regular invoice here, and now that we've got this, we've got to get this invoice into signosign 2. And there's two ways of going about and doing it. You can either save it as a PDF, or you can print it directly to signosign 2, and we're going to do it that way. And now we've got the invoice in signosign 2. Now if you want to, you can just draw a signature field on it, and they'll start the signing process. You can sign it and then save the PDF and you're done. We're going to do a little bit more than that today by showing you how to set this document up as a document type. That way, whenever an invoice gets brought into signosign 2 from QuickBooks, it automatically places a signature and starts the signing process. So right now we're going to go into Tools and Document Types. We're going to click on the Create New Document Type button down here, and we're going to set up some identification definitions. You need to set these up so that the software can recognize the document you bring in. So we're going to select some things that are going to be the same on each invoice. So we're going to select the name of the company, Larry's Landscaping, click OK. And then we're also going to do it again and select the invoice. I always like to do two. One other thing we're going to do on this screen is check off automatically launch signing process after each document is opened. That way, after the document gets brought in to signosign 2, it will automatically start the signing process. Now I'm going to hit apply, and now I'm going to go down to this signature field settings tab. Now I'm going to define a new signature field. I'm going to set it to absolute positioning. This means it's just always going to be in the same place on the document, and that's fine because this invoice is always going to be the same. So I'm going to drag this blue box to where I'd want the signature, and then kind of size it how I want the signature to be spaced. And then I'm going to click OK. And that's about it. I'm done with setting up this document type. So as you can see, I've got a new document type in my list here. Now I'm going to click OK. I'm actually going to close out of this the PDF in signosign 2, and I'm just going to create a new invoice. So I'm just going to do a different customer. Alright, and I'll just leave the item the same. And now I'm going to print this invoice to signosign 2. And it recognizes that it's an invoice, and it puts a new signature field right onto the invoice. And I'm going to click OK. And now I've got a signed PDF. And it'll do this anytime you bring an invoice in from now on. So you only have to do this one time. Now every time a signature or a invoice gets printed to signosign 2, or you save a PDF and open it in signosign 2, it'll know that it's an invoice and know to automatically put the signature here. There's some other stuff you can do with that, but we can go over that in some other tutorial videos. But that's it for today. Have a good day.